Norm's fingerprints, literal and figurative, can be found on a dozen different pulling tractors with a success rate that ranks among the best in the sport. Initially, Gary W. Clark, Ron Barkey Sr., Honda Judge, and Jerry Allison powered modifieds. Smith would go on to pilot tractors for others, including Dennis Wilson's Little American, and machines owned by John Shaw and the Banner Brothers. The result? A handful of Grand National NTPA titles, with National Tractor Pulling Championship highlights being wins in the 12,000 Unlimited in 1976, driving Barkey's Judge, and a victory in the 12,200 Unlimited on John Shaw's Northeast Raider in 1984. While he spent most of his time in the seat of a modified, he reportedly took the helm of a modified Vinny in a superstock on occasion. Trained as a machinist, Norm additionally played an important role in the fabrication of parts for many machines, and for a time was employed by Ralph Banner in his machine shop. Simply put, Norm Smith provided an edge for all the teams he campaigned with. His driving skill was his calling card and forward him his name and pulling teammates as a legendary level of achievements. Norm will be inducted here this weekend, along with Blaine John Keck and the Ritter team. Our 2025 inductee.
The Northwest Ohio Tractor Pullers is honored to induct Norm Smith into our Hall of Fame. Congratulations.
Well, I probably wouldn't have got started with this if it wouldn't have been for Doris Barge. I went to school with Doris, and she introduced me to Ron one night uptown, and I didn't know Ron before that. He was a farmer, and I was kind of a farm boy, and I went to work for him after I left my regular job. And I went from a Ford tractor to a D21, and an XD190 plow, and boy, I enjoyed that. And we started building a pulling tractor that fall, a 409 Chevy in that 40 cock shed, needed some parts and this and that. So right down my line, I just started my machine trade, and that's where it took off at. Yeah, I got to blame Doris or credit Doris for all this. I wish she was here. Didn't wrong, wasn't feeling very good. They didn't pick this guy. Yeah. So, thank everybody. Had a lot of good runs down the track in 20 years. Wouldn't give it up for nothing. Thank you.